Your face says it all. What's happening? Oh, wow. Memo, what's going on?
Well,
Have you been doing this today?
so
Like,
the best laid plans always go astray on these.
wait. Let me come closer. What?
So the best laid plans on these always go astray. Let him cut this, and then
Okay.
we'll get back on it.
Okay. We just had a serious conversation, but first, hey, go Dodgers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Otani's like superhuman.
Yeah.
I'm convinced of that.
I'm a Dodgers fan too.
But what were you telling me?
I'm having second thoughts about the arrangements on what we're gonna have to do here. Just
Okay.
because we've got to gain more space for the kitchen and the dining room. So I might
Yeah.
have to take over that bedroom. Might have to incorporate that into the kitchen and then build on to what are already going to build on to our addition back here for a bath. Just going to build on a bedroom too.
That sounds complicated.
It's not complicated, it's expensive.
Wait, what is that?
The lamp
Where'd you find that?
in the crawl space.
Like,
Treasure.
that's not a treasure. Would you like take that home and use that? Maybe. Really? Really? Memo. What do you think? You take that take that lamp home and use it? All right, so this window is going to be closed up, and we're going to put that mudroom, fake mudroom-ish thing right through here, because this is the back door that you're going to walk into, and right there. Then you go right here behind me, and this is the kitchen. And we were just having a conversation about taking that back wall out and making it a little bit bigger, just because I feel like
It's not big enough. So we're going to have to take
Space.
that third bedroom right there and incorporate that into a dining room and part of the kitchen. And then so the master bath we're going to build in the back is now going to be a master bath and bedroom instead.
I mean, I think that's a great plan, but
Yeah, but I mean, you worry about your cost over what you can get back out of it.
That's
So
true.
it becomes a budgetary thing. You know, will it bring that much more? But it will certainly be more sellable like that.
I mean, it's pretty solid, right?
Multi?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
Is multi in there? It means there's a marijuana in there.
Wait, what? You just asked if there's marijuana in
Top
there?
comes off. The top feels good.
So when you get in all these old houses like this, we knew the bathroom floor was rotted out, okay? Because it had been leaking over here a long time. But you never know what you're going to get into. So this is a girder that went under one of the walls. So we were just going to take out the bath, but now we've got to take out all the way over to the support girder over there. And that's just what you get into with old houses like this. And you can't stop and half-ass it, because if you do, you're going to wind up doing it again.
You just said ass.
Yeah, and I can say
Why?
that, remember, because it's our channel.
It's our channel.
So, but I mean, if you look, this house has been taking a severe beating, and some of it has been coming from the roof up here. See, this corner right here has been taking a lot of water.
Oh, wow.
And when I think it's been leaking there, plus the toilet's been leaking for years.
Yeah.
And it's gotten under the tile, and it's rotted out, and we're just going to have to tear it out and start.
Oh, golly. Pat, I think we keep this lamp, actually.
Okay.
I mean, it's kind of interesting, right?
Clean it up. Yep.
It's rusty.
I didn't even tell how old it is.
I think that lamp's probably
It's the 60s at least.
1965, I'm going to say.
That's a great year.
Where's Antiques Roadshow? Oh, wait, 1965 is a good year?
I'm vintage 1965.
Okay, so you talked about this becoming not just a master bath, but now a master bedroom with a master bath out here.
So
How far out are we talking about coming?
14, which is like right here.
Okay, wait, I'm
So this was going to be
metrically challenged.
14 by 14, about where we're standing. That was
Okay.
going to be a master bath, a master closet, of course a toilet area, and there was going to be a small utility room on the back of it, because I got to get power back in here. Because that's where our power is now. That's not going to work.
Yeah.
So now I'm thinking we just make another footprint for a bedroom right here, and we do bath and bedroom, and then that becomes part of the kitchen.
I think that's a good idea.
Third problem is
Oh,
there's
no.
no way to get to it except through the kitchen. Is it weird to have your master bedroom entrance off the kitchen?
I don't know. Talk
Ours
to us,
is.
people. Is it? I don't think so.
Well, it's kind of got a little,
Like an L shape kind of thing, maybe.
I don't know. That's
Also, though, my concern is this tree. Are we going to lose this tree?
no, it'll be okay. Saps down and it's fall, so we're okay. And it only comes out to about right here. So we should
Okay,
be
so we got space for.
We have space. He's not gonna like it, but I mean, he's got to live with it.
He'll be okay.
That on this, though.
You can say what on this?
That I look like an old man in these videos. Am I that old? I mean, really, do I look that old? God.
No, I think we are
Like a
all.
900.
No, we are all our own worst critics. Because I could go on about the things that I feel
I mean,
about me.
my hair is thinning and I've got wrinkles all over the place.
Do you want to tell the people at home how old you are?
60 this year. I was turned 60.
Yeah, I think they'd all be amazed. Now you all know he's 60.
No, I think that's that fits probably because I don't know. Aging
I've known other
exponential.
60-year-olds that don't look like you. Just saying.
Well, there's that.
Let's talk about the satellite dish. Why have they not taken it off the roof yet?
Because they give them to you once you start. These are like all over places where people have rented and owned. And the worst thing you can do is have them put it on the roof. But they'll put it on the easiest place because that's a guaranteed place that it'll leak. They need to go on the side when they're mounted like this, but they take the easy road out and put them there.
I know, but that looks like it's calling UFOs. It's huge.
It is. Pretty good size.
Do you believe in UFOs? Speaking of which, you do, really?
There are unidentified flying objects. Where they're from, I don't know. Whether they're military or whatever, drones, or whether it's other people from other planets, I have no idea.
How did I not know that about you?
Of course, there's things that fly around. I'm a pilot. Yeah.
I know, but most pilots, like pilots that are Amanda's friends, I don't think they believe in UFOs.
Deke Slayton, who was an astronaut, he had a run-in with a UFO and said he has no idea what it was. And it was moving faster than he was in a jet fighter, and he couldn't catch it. So, I mean, there's plenty of guys that are well-documented and very famous that have had that.
Okay.
Chuck Yeager, a number of them. So, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yep. I had a plan, and now it's kind of going in another direction.
But you know, isn't that the way that goes?
It always. Yeah.
Like you formulate a plan, and I think you got to be a little fluid when you get into this. It's kind of like the bathroom floor. Like you got to be fluid. You don't know what you're getting into until you're into it, right?
Right.
Wait, the lamp is turned on.
Oh, you get on.
No, did you turn the lamp on?
Get the lamp on. It worked.
The lamp is on. Okay.
All right.
I think that's a selling point for the house.
Oh,
Pat, this is a mess.
Yeah. It won't be, though.
I know, but isn't this just unreal what water damage will do?
Yes.
Like, this is what water damage will do.
Yes.
Guys, everybody take note. This is what water damage can do to your house. My. Tell me what the next steps are here. Obviously, we are redoing the girders in the bathroom and in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go start tearing brick off the back for the addition. Is that correct?
Yeah, but now I'm all ginned up about what to do. So I gotta think that through. What the best course of action is there.
But I think as I was driving over here, I was thinking about the exterior color, and I really believe that green we saw the other day would look really sharp on this brick.
Yeah, I don't know.
saying.
I'm not there yet. I got a ways to go yet.